Hi, every time you think about investing in the stock market, have you ever asked yourself, what if I just invested in the market itself? And by that, it's actually possible. I know most people, they are not aware of this, but Nairobi Security Exchange is not just a marketplace where you buy and sell shares. It's also a listed company. And that's why this viewer is asking this question. Yes, you can buy shares in it. It's one of the counter listed at the Nairobi Security Exchange. So, how does this company make money? It makes money, you see, every time you buy and sell shares, a small fee is charged. That's how NSE make money as a counter. Anytime you buy and sell shares, Nairobi Security Exchange as a company make money. Anytime you buy or sell bond in the secondary market, the company also make money. Part of that money goes to, part of the fees charged go to Nairobi Security Exchange. So in other words, when there is more trading, there is more revenue to this company. It also earns from listing. See, all the companies which are listed, anytime a company is listed, like the recent Kenya Pipeline IPO, there is some fees that they are supposed to pay. So they earn money from that. Then from all the listed companies in Nairobi Security Exchange, there are some annual fees that they pay under this company. They also sell market data. They can sell to institutions and investors in case you need any market data. They have paid dividends in the past, like in year 2025, that was last year, they paid a dividend of 0.32 per share. If you look the previous year, it was 0.16. 2022, it was 0.90. 2021, they gave a dividend of 1.03. But let's see how much they are going to declare dividend this year. Because over the past few years, their dividends have fluctuated quite a bit. Because if you see year 2021, 2022, their dividend was a bit high. But in the more recent years, it's gone down. So what are the strengths of investing in this counter? First, it has a strong position because it's essentially the main security exchange in Kenya. Second, its business model is very scalable. Third, when trading increases, profits can grow quickly without major additional costs. There are no expenses because their profits increase with the trading activities in Nairobi Security Exchange. It also gives you exposure to the entire market, because when the market is performing well, profits and their revenues go up. So instead of betting on only one company, it's like you're betting on the overall growth of investing in Kenya. But it also has some risks. NSE earnings are not stable, because sometimes they can go up and down depending with market activity. Assume like this year, the NSE is booming. Next year, maybe it will be down for reasons which are not even to do with boards giving lower rates, other reason. So, because of that, their earnings are not stable. The other thing, there have also been very few new company listings in the recent year. In fact, it was after how many years? That's when we got the Kenya Pipeline IPO. We have stayed for many years. Finally, it competes with other investment options, because not everybody can invest in Nairobi Security Exchange. The other investment options, like people can invest in government bonds through the primary market, and that one, you know, they are not going to get any fees. Or you can invest in special funds. Others invest in offshore market, others in real estate. Those are the risks. And who should invest in this stock? This stock makes sense for long-term investors who believe that the NSE capital market or the Kenya capital market will continue to grow. But you have to understand one thing, it's a cycle business. It performs well when the market is active and struggles when it's not. Thank you.